Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming that your carrier supports 5G for the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. This matters because SIM provisioning enables bands. Once that's done, make sure the phone has at least 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection so downloads won't fail. Next, go to Settings, tap System Updates, and install both firmware and carrier settings. These updates add 5G bands and bug fixes. Do not skip carrier provisioning, because without it, the radio won't register on 5G. Once done with updates, you enable 5G by opening Settings, Network and Internet, and selecting the preferred network type to include 5G. Then, make sure the access point name matches your carrier's 5G APN values. Incorrect APNs block data, or IMS features like VoLTE and 5G voice. If you use dual SIM, verify the correct SIM slot or eSIM profile is active and set for mobile data. You may reboot after changing APN so the modem re-registers properly. To finish, take the phone to an open area, check for the 5G icon in the status bar, and run a speed test to confirm higher throughput. This validates band registration. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or reboot the device. This forces the modem to reattach to the network. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, gather your IMEI and network logs, then contact the carrier so they can check provisioning and tower compatibility. Don't guess at advanced radio settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.